guys, welcome back. It's your boy. So today, as you can see, I'm barefaced because I am trying out something new. I'm super excited. I just got in the mail yesterday my Plouise and MMMMitchell collaboration. I am so excited to try this out, and I thought I'd do it with you guys because I've been waiting for this forever and I think it's super exciting. So I'll open it up and give you a little rundown. So this is the packaging. It's so pretty. This is it here. It says a bit about everything, kind of gives you like a little inspirational message. So in the package, so we've got 5 paints, blank canvas, which is kind of like the original Plouise base, and then it's also got 3 brushes, and it's just the cutest packaging. So if you pull that one off, you've got 3 brushes in there. There's like a cut crease kind of brush, angled liner brush, which I think would be really good for like detailing, and then you've the small like pointed liner brush. My camera's having such a hard time focusing on things today. But yeah, inside we've got the 5 Rain, which I'm really excited. When they were showing all of like the releasing and everything, it came out with a green one as well, which is like super fluoro green. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up here. And I've gone on the wait list for that, so can't wait till that one comes out. So we've got the shade Nitro in there. Like my camera will not pick anything up. So that's like a turquoise shade. Then we've got Glow Girl. If my camera's shaking, it's because it's trying to readjust itself and it's super annoying. Then we've got I'm gonna completely chop this name, but Ibiza. I love saying it. What else? We've got Ecstasy as well in there, which is like a really deep purple. Did I already say Raver there as well? And then we've got the initial blank canvas. So if you didn't know, these are all basically paints that dry down to an eyeshadow, like a matte eyeshadow, in 60 seconds. So it gives you time to blend it out and work with it. If I pull this one out, this is like the tube. It's kind of like the original base, except the original base is more of like a concealer consistency, like Nars Radiant, and it has a small tube, small applicator, I don't know. Whereas this one in the paint tube has like a really wide opening, so you can kind of get like enough product out in like one squeeze without having to use it all. And I think these are really cool and kind of like the first thing on the market in terms of what they are. I'm really excited because I've seen so many people trying them out, putting them on, and they blend just like normal eyeshadows, which is really super cool considering they are a liquid kind of consistency. So I'm going to try out a look today. I don't know what I'm going to do, but let's get into it. Okay, so I am all primed and ready to go, and I used my Plouise brush that I got with my base. It came in a little pack. It was so good. I've been using this literally every single day I do my makeup without fail. Same with the base. And I'm so nervous. So now I'm going to go in. I think I want to start with the shade Glow Girl. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, it's really cool with all of this because I find that Plouise, it's like herself, her whole company is so influential and so innovative in like the way that they do things. Like I know with the base, like once that, like when that first came out, everyone was like, oh my god, I'm not going to do it because like it's wet. How am I meant to put shadows on that? It's going to go cakey, that kind of thing. But I really think that, like obviously artists would have been doing that before, like using either wet shadows, cream bases, that kind of thing without setting it, and that's really cool. But I think just like the platform that she has in the UK and everyone kind of going off that, it's just amazing to see it everywhere. So I'm really excited, and I hope this is going to be like along the same kind of lines. So I've just got it like on my brush there, and I'm just going to go on and kind of blend out try and blend out the corners. I think I put too much on my brush, but that's fine. What the heck? This is going to be so messy, I can tell already, because I don't know, like, what brush to use, that kind of thing. Also, can we just, like, talk about Mitchell as well? Like, how crazy his journey's been. It's so cool. Like, he's so young and come from, like, such a small following to build, like, this giant base. And, like, he's released with Beauty Bay that's coming out soon. That's really cool. I'm, like, waiting for that as well, because it's going to be really huge. That comes out on September 1st. So he's got, like, his own collaboration. Like, we all know he's got his collaboration with bPerfect, with his Subzero palette, which I got as well recently and I'm living for. That was like a highlighter palette, but this one is his own palette. It's huge. It opens like a storybook, and it's just amazing. Like, everything, like, it's so cool to see someone like you really believe in get so big and get recognized the way they should. It's really cool. But yeah, I think like the whole UK kind of like makeup scene is so amazing and so fresh. Like, the way they do everything, like, so huge. Oh my god, this blends out so cool. I love it. I have no idea what like look I'm doing either, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be just like packing things on. But yeah, they're right, this like just dries down. And it's so cool because it stays so pigmented, because it is a paint. Like, it's just basically straight colour. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with another shade in the inner corner, and I think I'm going to mix blank canvas and nitro to get like a light blue. I'm probably just going off like every single thing that I've already seen. And so on my palette, I put like a ton of Glow Girl, and I'm realizing like you really don't need that much, because I put like the tiniest bit on my brush and that's all I needed. So I'm definitely going to go in with a little bit less this time. It's kind of like a gel liner. Like, I'd probably compare it to like an in-between of like a MAC paint pot, which not like it at all, but in between that and like Inglot gel liner. It's really, really creamy, really thick. It's really cool because with the thick tube you can pick up the product that you've put too much on of, because it kind of just goes back into the tube. So like, I just took off pretty much most of that pink and put it back in the tube. Now I'm going to mix blank canvas and nitro together to make like a pastel or like a lighter blue. What?
You get it?
I can't talk about it in front of you.
Why?
It's embarrassing.
You're going to fast forward this bit, aren't you?
No. Why would I fast forward doing the makeup? I can't see when you're standing there. It's so bright.
When I'm standing here.
Yeah, because I'm trying to look you in the eye. I don't know how to...
I just want to see you use it.
Okay.
And how you use it.
Okay, so I've just gone in with the blue that I mixed up, and I've kind of sort of cut the crease with the yellow brush, but then I'm also blending it out so it's making a purple in between, and it's like the prettiest thing I've ever seen. I love it. And yeah, so like I should be working faster because it dries matte in 60 seconds, but it's easier to work with than I expected. But yeah, I want to keep the blue really prominent at the front and then just kind of like blend it out towards the edge. So I think I'm going to go in with Ecstasy on the outer half. Oh. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but there's like liquid in the tube, so where it's like it's kind of separated. So I'm just trying to get that out, and I guess I'll just like mix it in to the purple. So yeah, I think because that liquid's like separated in the tube, the consistency of my purple is a bit more liquid than the other ones. I'm just going to pack that on the outer V. And kind of blend that out with the first brush I was using. But yeah, even though those other ones have like dried down, it's really easy to just keep blending the wet shades in as well. So I'm just going to move that purple up into the middle where we've got that lighter purple. And like blend it out. So I think like while I'm getting used to this, it's going to be a lot of going back and forth. But the good thing is because they are so pure, like you can just keep layering them. I have heard that it's bad to layer them because they crack a little, but it's not cracking yet or anything for me. So I'm going to go back in with the blue shade. And it's really good because it doesn't dry down on the palette either, so you can just keep going. Also, this brush is amazing. Like, I'm pretty sure every single person that's tried this out has said that, but they're not joking. I've also only done this much, so I don't want to give it like too much credit, but... And then with that mix that I had of the blank canvas and nitro, I'm going to go in with the deeper that I still had left unmixed and kind of meet that purple up towards the back. Okay, so this is looking like crazy, but it's fine. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of, on a smaller brush though, of Raver and just build up that intensity. I think it sits really well on the base as well. It doesn't like move around like I thought it would. Like I thought they might separate against each other, but I guess I would have tested that out. So then I'm just going to blend. There's brown on that. Okay, and then I just want to make them meet a little bit more seamlessly. Ecstasy and my little mixture. So kind of like in between brushes, I like to just tap off the excess onto my hand, so we're kind of getting like, we're not mixing the colours too much. Okay, so then I think for the top that's what I want to do, but with the bottom I'm going to go in opposite, so it kind of gives a bit of a contrast. And then through just the middle where it's still wet, like in the centre, I'm going to pop Mermaze from, why can I never remember what they're called, from Peaches and Cream. And it's really good because the pigment sticks so well to this. Like, it says 60 seconds, but I'm finding mine still tacky and I'm not having a problem with anything. Look, I know this isn't like the most seamless, but I am actually loving it already. So that's the one eye. I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye, and then we can come back and do the bottom. Okay, so they are completely different shapes, which is fine, but I think I kind of got like the hang of it on the second one. So I'm going to quickly do my face. There's a hair in my mouth. I'm going to quickly do my face, come back in, and we can do the under eyes. Okay, so we are back, done with the face. Now I'm going to go in with the under eyes. I know it's looking a bit crazy. I look super red. Do I look super red too? Even my arms look tanner than they are. So this highlighter is the MMMMitchell Subzero palette. And I went in with the shade just here. As you can see, I am shining and I love it. So okay, so anyway, back to the collection at hand. So I'm going to go in back to front from where I went, but I'm going to go in with the, it's already got nitro on it. I'm going to go in with, they don't have names, but the little, you know what I mean? Now with nitro, now with that lighter mix that I had on my palette, Okay, and then I'm just going to blend that all out with Raver. Oh my god, it's not even Raver. It's Glow Girl. Okay, then I'm just going to try and blend that out. Okay, so now that it's kind of blended out, I am going to go along the middle with Mermaze again. Did I say middle? I meant everywhere. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to go back in with the orange brush, with the smallest one, go in my inner line with Ecstasy again. Awesome. So let me just chuck some lashes on and I will be back in a second. Okay guys, so lashes are on. They are ShopMissA lashes in the style Vanessa. I think like Plouise and MMMMitchell have really like smashed it out of the park with this. I'm gonna zoom you out and see the whole kind of look. Yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching again, and yeah, thank you. Bye girls.